Ooh, I believe a rat tried making a home in there. I'm gonna get my trusty glove. Alright everybody, it's been some time. I created a video today and wanted to show you how to basically change your cabin air filter. And it is a pretty simple process, and it's pretty similar for any vehicle. So what you need to do is first open this, and then over here there's this latch in your vehicle. It may be something else. You know what? Let's empty them out. You guys will know I have a Kia Optima. Get out. But I'm sure it will be very similar for if you have a Camry or like an Accord. It will be exactly similar for see, Kia thought about this because they know people are gonna struggle. So instead of usually on any other brand, what you need to do, you need to press this, and then there's gonna be this part sticking out, and bend it, it will come out. But Kia, they did one better. They just made it a twisted thing. It comes out pretty easy. And over here, it's even simpler. Let's see if I can get it. All you have to do is pinch this, opens up. Ooh, I believe a rat tried making a home in there. I'm gonna get my trusty glove. It's a very common problem. You know, last time I turned the fan on and I could smell it a little, but I didn't know the problem was this big. That's a rat. That's a rat home. Made babies. Fortunately the babies are gone. I want to bring it out before I take it, because I don't want anything to fall below, because in that case things will come in my face, which I don't want. Yeah, made baby here, and see rat pee, and not as much rat poop, but there is. Interesting. The car has been parked for last about almost a year and a half. I didn't drive it. I was driving my Xterra, as you guys will see on the other videos. Yeah, that's the replacement filter. You always have to see which way the airflow is. So the air comes from down. The air comes from down. So there. Let's slide it in. No, it's not how it should go. It should go like that. Come on. That's it. That's it. It's a little tighter. It is an aftermarket product. I paid $10 for it rather than the $30 the dealership wanted. I thought I'm gonna change it myself and make a quick video. That's it. That's all you need to know. Now I'm gonna put these back. One in, two in, and I also need to. This is a shock absorber kind of thing. All it does is when you open it, it's not boom, it slowly comes down. That's it, done. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, leave it at the comment section. Please check out my other videos. I make awesome buying videos, very informative. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.